From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
No, what did you just say?
I said Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
You know what I heard?
Hmm.
Blah 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 blah.
That's not what I said.
So what did you say again?
I said Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Got it?
10.
I don't think that's right.
So, Olivia, how about you tell our kids what you just said? What type of saying is that?
Oh, I just said a tongue twister.
A what?
A tongue twister.
Do you twist your tongue to do that?
No. But if you twist your tongue before, you can practice. A tongue twister is something that you say really, really fast, and the idea is that your tongue gets twisted because it's so hard to say.
Oh, like Superman Saves the Smurfs.
What was that?
Superman Saves the Smurfs.
Do you mean Superman Saves the Smurfs?
That's what I said. Didn't you hear me? I'll say it again.
Okay.
Superman Saves the Smurfs.
Okay, wait. Let's try this. Stretch your tongue. Stretch. Ah! Okay, and now Superman Saves the Smurfs. Your turn.
Superman Saves the Smurfs.
One more time.
Superman Saves the Smurfs.
We
did that together.
We did.
How do you call that? Jinx.
Ah!
That's a jinx, isn't it? So a tongue twister and a jinx. But kids, today we are going to play a game. Superman? Yes?
You have to unjinx me.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're unjinxed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So kids, today we're going to play a game called Superman
Saves
the Smurfs.
the Smurfs. Woo!
You don't know what that is, do you?
Me?
No, the kids.
Do you guys know what that is?
Let's not waste our time. Let's just start playing, right?
Yes, let's play.
But you're not invited. I'm just going to play by myself. Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
So kids, now welcome to Smurfland. And here we are with Superman right here who's going to save the Smurfs. Well, not all of them, right? No, just one, the Devil Smurf. We have to save the Smurf who's being held by the Devil Smurf, right? Have you seen him already? No? Well, let's ask all of the Smurfs and see if we can help them out. Right, Clark Kent? Well, no, Clark Kent, you need to turn into Superman. Turn into Superman, and there you are. Yeah, let's go. Let's fly all around and save the Smurf from the Devil Smurf. Woo, 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 woo. And here we arrive to Baby Smurfs. Hey, Baby Smurfs, can you help us out? Yeah, of course, Noah. What do you need help with? Well, Baby Smurfs, I'm looking for the Devil Smurf. He has one of your friends captive. Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen both of them either. Why don't you ask the musician Smurfs? Okay, I will do that. Oops. I'm flying all over them. Hey, musician Smurfs over there. Will you make some music? Da 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 dun 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 da 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 dun 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 dun. Woo hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, rock it out. Woo, hoo, hoo. Da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Well, sorry to interrupt you guys, but hey, can you help me out? I'm looking for the Devil Smurf. He has one of your Smurf friends, captive. Well, I don't know what that means. That's music that you're speaking. Are you trying to say that you don't know? Well, I guess that means you don't know. Well, off we go, Superman. Oh, Wanderer Smurfs. Hey, can you guys help me out? I'm looking for the Devil Smurf, and he has one of your Smurf friends captive. Can you help me? Can you help me? Oops, I just dropped that one. Anyways, can you help me? No, I don't know how to help you. We're just on our way wandering around in the woods having a lot of fun. Oh, wandering Smurfs, you are not really any help, are you? Well, Superman, we gotta go again. And we fly all around to, the Adventure Smurf. Adventure Smurfs, can you help us out? Wait, I just see. There's a Superman Smurf. What are you doing up there? Are you trying to compete with Superman? Are you gonna help us out? Okay. Superman Smurf and Superman on the way! Where are we going next? Superman, help me out. Oh, Sports Smurfs, right there. What happened to you? Did you all fall down because of the avalanche? Well, hey, can you guys help me out? No, you need your own help? Well, should Superman help you out? No, you're okay? Okay, well then, okay. But hey, can you help me? Can you help me find the Devil Smurf? No? Please help me. You must know where he is. I should ask the Chef Smurfs? Okay, we'll do that. Well, Superman Smurf and Superman and everybody in my hand, let's go! And we're flying all over the place to the Chef Smurf. Hey, oh, that looks like a really, really good pizza. Do you mind having something, or maybe the soup, or ooh, that turkey? Is that turkey or is that chicken? Are you guys hungry? Okay, we shouldn't be eating. Okay, we shouldn't be thinking of food. Okay, I guess so. Well, what's our question, Superman? Oh, yeah, of course, the Devil Smurf. Yeah, sorry. Chef Smurfs, have you seen the Devil Smurf? He's holding one of your friends captive. No? Okay, well, let's go. Shh. Oh, wait. Can I still have a slice of the pizza? Oh, thanks. Yummy. This tastes amazing. See, I told you, you should have had a piece. That piece of pizza was really, really, really good. And we arrive at Woodmaker Smurf. Tool Smurf. Hey, Tool Smurf. Have you seen your friends? Have you seen the Devil Smurf? He's been really, really, really evil, and I need to stop him. Oh, you are no help for us, Superman and Superman Smurfs. Okay, I guess we'll have to find Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf knows everything. Let's go. And where are you, Papa Smurf? Papa Smurf. There you are. Hey, can you help me? We really, really need your help. We went to all of the Smurfs in all of Smurfland. Do you know where the Devil Smurf is? You don't have anything to say, but you're pointing in that direction. There he is! The Devil Smurf! Oh no! I need to rescue you! Woo! I have the Devil Smurf! I have him! I'm going to rescue you! Shh! I got him! Thanks, Superman Smurf! I will make sure that the Devil Smurf will never be in Smurfland and that you're going to be safe and secure. Does that sound good? Okay, well, Smurfs, that's it. Superman has saved the Smurfs, and I'm off again. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!